Kasee yegusua de mauna yensua yebie sebe benya bia kroba bie eseniema ene de mawe na de hye wo BATTOR ne MEPE enso de afei en wo hwe ne mu se bia atoyenchemu aboafo NADMO anaso Voter River Authority for eba beboa wo makomo di binom ba bia bidi ontiri beto kra no aye bibia ewo ho mamenkwa homa no so na kwame anum yamane boni ewo ho ame kase de ekoso kwame edemaye
Jefia niese wa ne se mabedru MEPE enu ani ame ye ne se ye ne Voter River Authority for ekohwe akosombo dam bebi amoye spillage no enti ehun se answer na spillage no beko ye no na ache emre bebe mu kakra enti grants ha no eden de si wa ha nkrofo no mo asiti na te sen na ifie meka kire wo se mebedru ha no asefem ya reho metimi aka se mebu me ni hwe a over 70% of asase wa ha anase bebi ankofo no ti no nsuo no agi enti se ne omoye no ebi na wo hu no ansa no metimi akọ bebi omko na ese omoyi so boat anase podo na wo hu no asetina ewa ha ayedene ade a ehu ayedene wa ha kese eye nsuo ankofo no enum enti uba ha ene a pure water anase sachet water ankofo no krabe num no edi se adane ntokwa esanse ahimfo no na oma pet track amode isuo no bi eba kro no mu and the situation wa ha no enya ne na nka ye ka no enya agro eye se isuo na yire enti mema efo na atwa efie bi a wo mechi na hwe be bi a isuo no eda na mfoni ne twa na wo hwe no we ha megina no eye be bi a metimi aka se ano abrase kakra esanse bia ya makona nkasa no ayire more than ya ye hui enti banks markets be mo ton aduane wo schools churches ne nyina omatomo enti ekom ena eba ha omomotia no bi e pa kire se hunger crisis ena afei yare ena ebeba se impenimfo ambeso ano am womomo ha no bi minion bekasa mesaka assembly member bako a owa ha eno ano Voter River Authority for my nya ntiase se omode relief items eba ha esanse mpese nkrofo no hihi omokakra eduane mattresses aba ha yepese hu se no kra opening tribreme kakra straightforward Voter River Authority say atoyenche matumu no omabe brem relief items na o ka kire se nya no kra etisen
Medamo ase Adom TV for ni jumapa mu ye di boaye meka se si a ye o MEPE na VR fo asemo amuka no se omudi akoba bi fufuro de na menim but MEPE de ya ho bibia sa
nduane omudi ba monsanka ente den na mo acheche ha so far
anu kware bi ani sa ne amanu se a meka se ye ahimfo no mu na mo organize pure water any royal masito omo organize pure water chiche macrofo na individuals binum so to me to be second k every different area di abaha ba say organization bi ana yibi di duane bi ba de in fact na kire say bia omo di ama omo target omo abusuafo di ama
right adeba ko so a esine say NADMO for na the various assemblies say ansa na asem ebese no omo bon krofo no kokko omo ne omo kasa opening back ha no so ene e beche ne wahu ewo asem no mo so you were talking to us about the situation, how the distraction is going. Exactly what is the situation as we are saying today?
It's a disastrous situation whereby many people in MEPE are displaced by the flooding. As I said earlier, cemeteries are submerged, KVIPs are submerged, boiler dumping sites are submerged, some schools have submerged, the people sleep on the street. We go to everywhere in town by car or by foot, but now the most vulnerable thing in town is canoe. NADMO has not brought anything yet, VRA has not brought anything yet, and the thing is disastrous such that it had disease outbreak implications. Look at the things I mentioned that they submerge in water. Now the water is highly contaminated. So as we are nursing this flooding, we fear that there will be cholera outbreak. A while ago, I saw the regional minister, I saw Honorable Peter Mewu plus some soldiers in town. They brought some military canoes. I mean, MEPE is a fishing community. Much as we appreciate the canoes, we have enough canoes and outboard motors. But the people need relief items such as food, such as blankets, such as mattresses, such as Basic things that
they are being provided by the assemblies through the National Disaster Management Organization.
No, not at all. I listened to the video or the interview that guy, the NADMO person, granted you that they brought items. What I saw is that they came in convoy of 4x4s and pickups. I expected that if they are, so the other things in the pickups and convoy, the V8 cars brought, I expected to see a truckload of items brought. But doing so is like you are pouring a bottle of kerosene in the sea. Quite insignificant.
All right. If you look at the extent of coverage, I mean, I'm talking about the flooding,
yes,
and then the conversation that people have to be relocated. Is it feasible? Is it possible? Because I suspect that over 70% of the land size have been covered.
The relocation, if it is to happen, must happen outside MEPE to a higher ground. But so many people have relocated within MEPE itself, but they are surrounded by the contaminated water again.
All right. Rasenti, Niapacha said, Sanka, you be in Crofon or Handia, and then yet a chroma and sensation there. Aji Cronafa. So come close to me. We understand this is your house.
Exactly.
Yeah, so tell us what you experienced.
Okay, this is my house. And I was told, my children who were in the house called me that something is happening, I should come. So when I came yesterday, the water even didn't enter my hall. So before daybreak today, the hall is full to my knees. I have to dispatch everything inside and send somewhere.
So you've lost a lot of properties.
All my things are inside water now.
Okay, so you've been here for some time. What is the proposed solution to this problem?
The proposed solution is that, in 1963, this thing happened. But when it was going too much, they closed the dam. The proposed solution is that when the water is coming too much, they have to close it for the meantime, so that people rushing and doing all these things should get place before 1963. They opened it 2 times. I was in Pump 3 by then. So the solution is that nothing can be done if the water is flowing.
All right. Thank you so much. And if you NADMO for Water River Authority, Regional Minister for